California Pizza Kitchen California Club Pizza. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cornmeal, 1 loaf, 1 pound, frozen pizza dough, thawed, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup ready-to-use grilled chicken breast strips, 4 bacon strips, cooked and crumbled, 2 cups shredded romaine, 1 cup fresh arugula, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon grated lemon zest, ½ teaspoon pepper, 1 medium tomato, thinly sliced, 1 medium ripe avocado, peeled and sliced, 1/4 cup loosely packed basil leaves, chopped. Directions: preheat oven to 450 degrees. Grease a 14-inch pizza pan, sprinkle with cornmeal. On a floured surface, roll dough into a 13-inch circle. Transfer to prepared pan, build up edges slightly. Sprinkle with cheese, chicken and bacon. Bake until crust is lightly browned, 10-12 minutes. Meanwhile, place romaine and arugula in a large bowl. In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, lemon juice, lemon zest and pepper. Pour over lettuces, toss to coat. Arrange over warm pizza. Top with tomato, avocado and basil. Serve immediately.